Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. Will present the result of our discussion about present perfect and past perfect. Let me introduce our group. My name is Tia Cahya Ramadhani, NIM 27, and my friend is Masa Ida, NIM 28, and Windy Astuti, NIM 29. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past or began in the past or continued to the present time. Present perfect tense formula. The present perfect tense is formed with the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle or verb 3. It has been used for IU and plural subjects such as plural pronoun, that is they, we, plural noun, example boys, girls, and compound subject with conjunction and. Example, you and I, Tom and Jerry. While has for a single subject such as third person singular pronoun, that is he, she, it, and singular noun, example, Tom, man. Form the present perfect tense. For positive sentence is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 and plus object. Example, he has completed the mission. For negative sentence is subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 and plus object. Example, he has not completed the mission. While for interrogative sentence is have or has plus subject plus verb 3 and plus object. Example, he has completed the mission.
Saya Windy Astuti, NIM 29. The present perfect tense is used when talking about experience from the past, a change or a situation that has happened in the past but is still continuing today. This tense is an important part of English grammar science. It demonstrates that action or event in the past have an effect on the present situation. Present perfect tense digunakan ketika berbicara tentang pengalaman dari masa lalu, perubahan atau situasi yang telah terjadi di masa lalu, tetapi masih berlanjut hingga hari ini. Tense ini merupakan bagian penting dari tata bahasa Inggris karena menunjukkan bahwa tindakan atau peristiwa di masa lalu memiliki efek pada situasi sekarang. The present perfect tense is a tense used in present to indicate the action that has taken place at some specific time. It uses auxiliary verb and past participle for the main verb, i.e. verb plus ed. Some examples of present perfect tense are I have watched this movie before he has completed his homework. Present perfect tense usage to express present result, to describe unfinished action or situation, to express things you have done in your life. Example, John has missed the book so he'll be late. How many times have you traveled abroad? I've read half of the book. She has never studied Japanese. James has not finished his homework yet. Present perfect tense untuk mengekspresikan hasil saat ini, untuk menggambarkan tindakan atau situasi yang belum selesai, untuk mengungkapkan hal-hal yang telah Anda lakukan dalam hidup Anda. Past perfect tense. The past perfect is a verb tense used to talk about action that were complete before some point in the past. Past perfect tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu aksi telah selesai pada suatu titik di masa lalu sebelum aksi lainnya terjadi.
The past perfect tense is formed with auxiliary had and the past participle or verb 3. It has been used for both singular and plural subject, while the past participle is performed by adding at, and, t, and, or, ni, to the base form of a regular verb in the basic form of an irregular verb. The participle is inconsistent.
Sedangkan past participle atau verb 3 dibentuk dengan menambahkan en, ed, d, t, n, dan ne pada base form berupa regular verb. Sedangkan pada base form berupa irregular verb, bentuk past participle tidak konsisten. Past participle tense atau rumus past participle. Form past participle tense. Yang pertama, penggunaan kalimat positif. Rumus dari past participle tense adalah subject plus head atau auxiliary verb plus past participle atau verb 3 plus adverb atau keterangan. For example, she helped finish the test. She subject, had auxiliary verb, finished verb 3, dan the test adverb. Rumus atau susunan kalimat pada past participle tense pada kalimat negatif yaitu as subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus adverb. For example, she had not finished the test. She subject had not auxiliary and finished verb 3, the test adverb. Had not dapat disingkat menjadi hadn't. Rumus past perfect tense pada kalimat interrogatif adalah had plus subject plus verb 3 plus adverb. For example, had she finished? When do we use past perfect tense? Kapan kita harus menggunakan past perfect tense? We can use past perfect tense to talk about action that happened before past event. Kita dapat menggunakan past perfect tense untuk berbicara tentang tindakan-tindakan yang terjadi sebelum peristiwa masa lalu. For example, the first, my mom had cooked the dinner early in the day. Yang kedua, I hadn't slept well all week. Dan yang terakhir, the team had practiced all day yesterday.